The very next algorithm in the queue is selection sort. It is an in-place algorithm in which a list is divided into two parts, sorted part and unsorted part. Sorted part is left and unsorted part is right. Initially, the sorted part is empty and unsorted part is full list. So it is also not suitable for large dataset due to its best, average, and worst case time complexity of big O of n square. Also, space complexity is constant. So how does it work? Algorithm. Set the minimum location to 0. Search the minimum element. Swap the minimum location to minimum element. Then increment minimum to point to next location. And then repeat. इसका एक बहुत ही सिंपल सा एग्जांपल लेते हैं. फॉर इंस्टेंस वी हैव नंबर सच एज 8 9 6 5 4 3. In that case, you have to set the minimum location to 0. That means minimum location is that. ये minimum location. Now you have to search for the minimum element. Now search for the minimum element. The minimum element in whole the list apart from 8 is 3. So you have to replace this 3 with 8. So you have to basically swap the elements. तो आप यहाँ पर इस 3 और इस 8 को स्वैप करेंगे. And this is how you got your new list as 3 9 6 5 4 8. And the list will continue. And this list will continue from 9 to 8. Now, this particular element will be restricted and you have to search the minimum element within the range of 6 to 8. 9 से छोटा हमें यहाँ पर 6 भी मिल रहा है, 5 भी मिल रहा है. जब तक हमें सबसे छोटा नहीं मिल जाता तब तक हम ढूंढते रहेंगे. हमें मिल गया 4. जब हमें 4 मिल जाएगा then we will replace this 4 with 9. So let's start with coding. सबसे पहले हम मेन फंक्शन के अंदर एक एरे बना लेंगे. लेट्स से हमने एरे का साइज रखा हुआ है 6 और उसके अंदर कुछ एलिमेंट इस तरीके से हैं 8 9 6 5 4 3. we'll separate it by comma. हम एक फंक्शन बनाएंगे. हम उस फंक्शन को कॉल कर लेंगे. यहाँ पर हम एरे और उसका साइज पास करेंगे. यहाँ पर हमने एक फंक्शन बनाया है. दिस फंक्शन is named as selection sort and then selection sort हमारे पास एरे और उसका साइज आर्गुमेंट में ले रहा है. now we'll run a loop till n minus 1. n minus 1 because we don't have to swap the last element. For sure we will create a minimum location which is the first index. Now we'll create j variable for iteration. j plus plus. This if ARR of j is less than ARR of minimum. ARR of minimum. Then we will change the location. Then we will change the location. That the exact location is j. And then we will swap accordingly. So first we will create temporary variable. We will store ARRI and then ARRI will be overwritten by ARR of minimum. Then this ARR of minimum will be overwritten by temp. Now, after doing all this stuff, we'll return our array. So once this for loop will end up with the execution, this will return ARR and this will be printed. So 896543 will get converted to according to its ascending order. So 345689. 345689. This is what a selection sort does.